2024 GAC GS8 is a 7-seater SUV that offers a compelling package of features and value. It has a spacious and luxurious interior, a smooth and comfortable ride, and a wealth of advanced driver assist features. Exterior. The GS8 has a bold and imposing exterior design, with a large grille, muscular fenders, and LED headlights and taillights. It's available in a variety of colors, including black, white, red, and silver. Interior. The GS8's interior is spacious and luxurious, with seating for 7 adults. The front seats are comfortable and supportive, and the second row seats have plenty of legroom and headroom. The third row is a bit cramped for adults, but it's still usable for children. The GS8's interior is finished in high-quality materials, with soft-touch plastics, leather seats, and wood trim. The dashboard is well designed and easy to use, and the infotainment system is responsive and easy to navigate. Performance. The GS8 is powered by a 2.0L turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 252 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. The engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The GS8 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 8 seconds, which is respectable for a large SUV. The ride is smooth and comfortable, even on rough roads. The GS8 is also capable of handling light off-roading. Features. The GS8 comes standard with a long list of features, including 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, panoramic sunroof, 3-zone automatic climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, heated second row seats, power adjustable front seats, leather upholstery, wood trim, LED headlights and taillights, 19-inch alloy wheels, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control. Pricing. The 2024 GAC GS8 starts at $32,995 for the front-wheel drive model and $34,995 for the all-wheel drive model. This makes it one of the most affordable 7-seater SUVs on the market. Overall, the 2024 GAC GS8 is a great value for the money. It offers a spacious and luxurious interior, a smooth and comfortable ride, and a wealth of advanced driver assist features. It's also one of the most affordable 7-seater SUVs on the market. If you're looking for a 7-seater SUV that offers a lot of bang for your buck, the 2024 GAC GS8 is a great option to consider.